Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into root cause analysis, the key to solving problems at their core. It's not about quick fixes but understanding and addressing the real issue effectively. Root cause analysis approach not only enhances efficiency but also prevents recurring challenges. Think of it as turning symptoms into solutions. Ready to master this game changer? Let's begin. Every challenge has a root. Identifying it involves three fundamental steps: observe the problem, gather data, and analyze findings. These steps form the foundation of effective root cause analysis. When followed, they lead to insightful solutions that truly make a difference. Curiosity is powerful. The 5 whys technique asks why repeatedly, 5 times, to uncover hidden causes. For egg, why was the shipment delay? Why was the truck late? Why was the route congested? Keep digging until the root emerges. It's simple, yet profound. The fishbone diagram is your visual aid for problem solving. By organizing causes into categories like people, process, and tools, it helps map out how these factors contribute to an issue. It's like piecing together a puzzle for clarity and action. The Pareto principle reminds us to focus on what matters most. Identify the critical 20% of causes that lead to 80% of issues. By prioritizing these, you maximize impact and efficiency. It's smart problem solving at its best. Let's focus on FOCUS. This framework streamlines root cause analysis, focus on the problem, organize data, create possible causes, understand systems, and solve with targeted actions. It's a structured, repeatable process for success. Even experts stumble. Avoid these pitfalls, jumping to conclusions, fixing symptoms instead of causes, and blaming people instead of systems. Stay objective and data-driven to uncover true insights and foster meaningful change. Success in RCA lies in methodical execution. Clarify the problem, involve the right people, use visual tools, validate findings, implement solutions incrementally, and document learnings. It's a roadmap to resolving even the toughest issues effectively. Mastery is in the details. Use tips like starting with smaller issues, maintaining curiosity, and revisiting data periodically. Remember, continuous improvement fuels lasting solutions. As Henry Ford said, failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Root cause analysis isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. Apply these techniques to transform challenges into opportunities. Share your learnings, practice regularly, and be the catalyst for lasting solutions in your organization. Let's make problem solving an art and a science. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We're constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.